Hi everyone, Barbara here. So it's the middle of October and I got up this morning and it's probably in the 50s and my house was chilly and it just made me start thinking about here comes cold weather. So I just wanted to give you guys some things to remember about your house to make sure you protect your very expensive investment. First of all, there's going to be a lot of people traveling. They're going to be gone for long periods of time, or you might be going to see family, or you might just be an investor that has a vacant home. Something to keep in mind, or a few things, is one, don't make your home look vacant. There are things you can do. They have products from Alexa, things like that can turn off and on lights. Or you could get a Ring doorbell and keep an eye on your house. Or even have a friend, come by every now and then and go through your home. But try not to make it look completely vacant, because then you're just a sitting duck. So keep that in mind. Also, be sure to protect your pipes. Bursting pipes can cost thousands of dollars, and it is a real pain. So open up your faucets, flush your toilets, but then turn off your water to help prevent that. But even though you do that, you want to be sure you maintain a good temperature in your home. Don't just turn off your furnace and leave. If you've never been a homeowner, you might not think about something like that, and I've seen people do that. So be sure you keep your furnace on in the cold weather at all times. And I would say don't go below a minimum of 55 degrees if you're going to be gone for a long period of time. That will keep things warm. And it's not just about your pipes. You also risk problems with your heating and air, your water heater, other systems. So you want to keep your house at a good or a 55 degree temperature. Also, be sure you maintain maintenance before you leave. Make sure your heating and air is working, and, if you have had problems with it and you just never gotten around to calling somebody, be sure you take care of that before you leave. Because if your heating and air stopped working, then that would not be good for your house. Your electrical, if you have things plugged in, unplug everything. Just so that, if there's a shortage or something going on that you weren't aware of, maybe that might help protect the house. So anyway, and just, I guess last is have an emergency plan. If you're out of town, make sure you have someone you can call quickly, to take care of something. Get a plumber on your list. Or even just like I said in the beginning, have a friend go through and walk through your house every now and then. And just make sure that you have someone you can call. So I hope that helps. Hopefully our temperatures do not get too horribly cold. But remember, cold weather is hard on houses. So be sure you take care of your investment. All right, have a great day. Bye.